Okay, question number 15. The graph shows the variation of displacement of y with distance x and with time t. Okay, the both of them are given. So what is the question now? Question is, what is the speed of the wave? Okay, so now we need to find the speed. So what is speed? Speed is given by v is equal to f lambda of a wave, right? What is frequency? What is wavelength? Now, or I can also write this as lambda by time period. Okay, now can we get lambda from here? See, this is 4, which means this should be 2 here, and this should be 8. So which means this distance is your lambda, not this, sorry, from here to goes like this and comes back here. So until here, this should be 10 over here. So this should be a lambda. So 10 minus 2 should be 8. So lambda should be equal to 8 meters. And what about time period? Time period, see, it starts from 0 here and over here 10 here. So therefore, time should be equal to 10 milliseconds. Remove this unit. Okay, you might make a mistake over here. What is wave velocity? Lambda divided by t, which should be 8 divided by 10 milliseconds, which should now be equal to 0.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3, sorry, plus 3 milliseconds means 10 power minus 3 goes upwards 10 power plus 3, which should now be equal to 800 meters per second. Okay, answer is D.